Today's video is a special thank you video to all the subscribers of this channel, as I have passed the first milestone and hit the 1000 subscriber mark. I just want to thank every single one of you who has supported the channel by either subscribing, commenting or liking my videos about Amazon KDP low content books. Reaching 1000 subscribers is amazing and I'm so grateful for it. To thank you, I'm going to share a link for free graph paper 4 squares per inch interior and give you some tips about how to customize it in different ways. I already shared a free 8.5 by 11 lined pages interior in the previous videos, and some of you gave positive feedback about it. I hope the free 8.5 by 11 graph paper interior will also help some of you to generate some extra income. Before the tips for graph paper interior, I want to talk a little about my channel and ask your opinion about future content. If you check my channel playlists, you can see that I generally create content about both Amazon KDP tutorials and monthly niche ideas for low content books. I would like to focus on 3 videos in the Amazon KDP tutorials playlists. The first video is how to rank Amazon KDP low content books on the first page. It is the most popular video on my channel so far. Currently, it got 6000 views, which is quite good for a video on a small YouTube channel like mine. This video is all about the factors that influence Amazon's ranking algorithm. If you struggle to rank your products on the first page for your targeted keywords, I believe this video will help you understand better how to rank KDP low content books on Amazon page 1. So, if you haven't watched it yet so far, I strongly recommend you to watch it. The second video is KDP keyword research strategy. It is the longest video on my channel. The length of the video is around half an hour and it has got more than 4000 views so far. More than 250 people gave me a thumbs up for this video, and this makes me quite happy as I spent more time than other videos for it. In this video, I wanted to show that it is also possible to find out many keywords without using any paid tools or Chrome extensions. Of course, paid tools may save time, and I am not against them for KDP keyword research. However, I haven't used any of them yet and I'm not planning to use them soon. So, if you wonder how I am doing my keyword research step by step with only free tools, you should also check this video. I think you won't need to buy any course to learn keyword research after watching this video. The third video is about Amazon's bestseller rank. I think this one is the most underrated video on my channel, and that makes me wonder. Because I think there are a lot of KDP low content book publishers who misunderstand BSR and use this important information in the wrong way for researching niches or keywords. If you still watch YouTube videos with clickbait titles like KDP niches to make $1000 per month and wonder why you couldn't make $1000 so far, you should watch this video to understand their manipulation to get only more views for their videos. In the monthly niche ideas videos, I talk about upcoming e-commerce holidays and niches for low content books. I try to show when the search traffic will increase for the upcoming monthly niches, but it doesn't mean that you can make $1000 as others say. My advice is that, especially if you are a newbie, you should focus on the evergreen niches that sell throughout the year in the beginning. And then, you can test the monthly niches in these videos step by step to understand how it goes. When you think you are ready and have an extra budget, you can create content for popular seasonal niches, spend money on ads or external traffic, and increase your income. Now, I would like to hear from you about what kind of content you want me to create on this channel. What kind of videos is most interesting for you? Please feel free to write your thoughts in the comment section below. Then I can create more helpful content according to your needs here. By the way, according to YouTube statistics, 80% of the viewers of this channel haven't subscribed yet. So, if you are one of them, please subscribe and like the videos. In this way, YouTube algorithm will help me reach more people. I know all the YouTubers are repeating this very frequently, so thanks in advance for your understanding and support. Okay, as I said at the beginning of the video, I prepared this 4 squares per inch graph paper in Adobe Illustrator, and I would like to share it with you. First of all, let's control the document size. It is 8.625 by 11.25 inches. If you check the file setup calculator file in the KDP Help Center, select ink and paper choice as black ink and white paper, select trim size as 8.5 by 11 inches, and select the number of pages as 100 pages. Click the manuscript with bleed option. OK. The width is 8.625 inches and the height is 11.25 inches. It is the same as our document size. Let's also control the dimensions of the squares in our graph paper. I made a 4 squares per inch graph paper because when I typed graph paper on the Amazon search bar, the bestsellers and Amazon choice were 4x4 grid paper. It means 4 squares per inch. As it is a very competitive niche, it is always better to be specific and niche down. As you see, there are also some results for 5 squares per inch. Let's check if we have a really 4 squares per inch in our document or not. I will draw a 1 inch by 0.25 inch rectangle to show you. The width of the rectangle is 1 inch. As you see, if we put it on our graph paper, we have 4 squares per inch. So it is perfect. I copied this single page to all the artboards in Adobe Illustrator and save it as a PDF. Here is a 100 pages PDF file ready to upload to Amazon KDP. As I promised, you can download it from Creative Fabrica for free now. The link is below in the description. I put both PDF files and Illustrator files. So if you use Adobe Illustrator, you can also make some changes to the main file. I also put the link to free 8.5 by 11 lined pages that I shared before. So if you are watching my channel first time, you can find the link to this file below in the description of this video. Okay, before closing the video, I would like to give you some tips about how to use any files like this one that you download from Creative Fabrica or similar websites. As you can imagine, some of you will download this file from Creative Fabrica after watching this video. If you use it as it is, your final product will not be unique. And you should better make some efforts to stand out from the crowd. Firstly, you can prepare a unique first page like this one. As you see here, users can write down information like name, address, email, and teacher name. You can also put a simple class schedule like this one on the first page. Another example of a class schedule is this one. Secondly, you can prepare a unique last page, like this one. A simple chart for metric unit conversion or multiplication tables will make a difference. Furthermore, showing these unique pages with A+ content, like this one, will increase your conversion rate. As you know, after the last update about low content books, the look inside option is not available now. Therefore, I think making A+ content for all the low content books after this update became essential to sell more books. I know it sounds time consuming, but it increases the conversion rates for sure. After preparing the first and last pages, if you can save them as a PDF file, You can merge these files with my free graph paper, and finally you can have your unique file. If you search on Google merge PDF online free, you can find out some websites where you can do it. I use Adobe Acrobat DC to do it. It is a paid tool. Therefore, I don't know which of these sites is better. My final advice for customization is to put some artwork related to your cover design on my graph paper file or any file you downloaded from Creative Fabrica and similar sites. I will show it in Adobe Illustrator quickly to give you an idea. Imagine that you made a book cover for video gamers for this graph paper. Let's put a simple graphic related to video gamers here. First, change the color from black to gray. Then, we can change the opacity of this graphic from 100% to 25%. That's it. Like this, we made a completely different interior from the others. Okay, I hope this file and tips will help you generate some extra income. If you think so, make sure to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. As I said, it will help me to reach more people. I will continue to create content about Amazon KDP low content books. See you soon in the next video.